Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the YUNZII AL80. It's a really poppy sounding wireless 75% keyboard with an aluminum case, LCD screen, and volume knob. Priced around $100, it's available in 3 different colors and 2 switch options. In this video, I have the silver color option with the Teardown 0 linear switches. In the box is the quick start guide, the full user manual booklet, a Type-A to C USB cable, a switch and keycap puller, 2 extra switches, a few extra keycaps, a hard plastic dust cover, and the keyboard, which is quite heavy, just over 1.4 kilograms or 3.2 pounds due to the CNC aluminum case. Moving on to the design, the keyboard has an exploded 75% layout with an LCD screen above the arrow keys, a volume knob on the top right corner, an RGB indicator light next to the right control key, a 7-degree typing angle in this anodized CNC aluminum case, the tri-mode toggle switch, Type-C port, and magnetic storage slot for the 2.4 GHz receiver in the middle on the back, and 4 non-slip feet on the bottom with a gradient mirror finish weight in the middle. Besides that, the keyboard comes with double-shot PBT cherry profile keycaps, Teardown 0 linear switches that are pre-loop and has a poppy sound signature, pre-loop plate-mounted stabilizers to reduce any rattle with additional silicone dampeners at the spacebar, a gasket-mounted flex-cut polycarbonate plate for a softer typing feel, and a 5-pin hot swap south-facing PCB with per-key RGB that has flex cuts as well. Diving into the components, the case is held together with 8 screws on the bottom. With the volume knob removed and case open, the PCB can be lifted and the cable connecting to the daughterboard can be disconnected. So in the bottom case, there's a piece of foam to dampen the sound, the 2 batteries, which are 6000 mAh in total, connected to the daughterboard in the middle, the mounts for the gaskets on the sides, and the LCD screen cover and RGB diffuser in the top case. As for the plates and PCB, they are mounted together with 8 screws and the screen is connected to the PCB here. With the screws removed and screen disconnected, the plate and PCB can be taken apart and there's 3 sound dampening mods in between here. There's a PET sheet, an IXPE switch pad, and a Poron plate foam to dampen the typing sound. Carrying on to the software, the YUNZII AL80 is compatible with VIA. With the JSON file, you can remap all of the layers and keys, including the functions for the volume knob, record and import macros, save and load different layouts, configure the RGB lighting's brightness, effects, speed, and color, and reset the keyboard and test the keys here. Not only that, the keyboard also comes with an additional software for you to configure the screen. In here, you can select, adjust, and upload custom images and GIFs from your computer to the screen, as well as sync the date and time. As for the performance, the typing experience is great with a soft and bouncy feel. It's really nice to type on, especially when working on the script for this video. The same goes for gaming too. There was no noticeable lag or latency with the 1000Hz polling rate. Anyway, here is the typing sound test. Please enjoy. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the YUNZII AL80. Honestly, for around $100, this is one of the best keyboards available. It has tri-mode connectivity, a stunning CNC aluminum case, extra functionality and customization with the LCD screen and volume knob, and comes packed full with high-quality components and sound dampening mods. So if you're looking for an awesome sounding and looking keyboard, the YUNZII AL80 might be the one for you. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to YUNZII for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.